Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about order by clause. For example, we have this query that we had already written, the product name, color, size, and list price, and we need order by clause. For example, on product name. So here you can see this is not ordered, so we need to order. We need to use here order by and the name is column name is product name. We just need to execute, and here you can see all products are sorted alphabetically. So we need to achieve the same. So how we can achieve the same result in Duck Studio? So we need to go to the Duck Studio, and here we need to write here. For example, if I write order by, the column name was product name, products name. And if I click on run, so it is giving us an error. A single value for column product name in table products cannot be determined. This can happen when a measure formula refers to a column that contains many values without specifying an aggregation. Okay, so the problem is we are trying to write here product name, the original name in the products table. But what is happening here? The select column is a table function that returns a table, and in this table the new name for the product name is this one, product space name. So we need to use this new name. So for this we need to write here just brackets and the product name. That's it. Then we just need to click run, and here you can see this result is sorted alphabetically. So we can do one more thing. For example, here we can say, okay, we need to sort by list price and ascending ASC. So click execute, and here you can see list prices in ascending order, or we can say descending, and here you can see the list prices ordered by so this whole table is ordered by list price in descending order. So we need to achieve the same. How we can achieve the same result in Dux? So it's very simple. We just need to click order by. So here we need to write here product size. Sorry, it's a product price, and ASC ascending, run, and here you can see this list price is in ascending order, and for the descending order we just need to write here descending, click OK, run, and here you can see the product price is in descending order. So that's all about how to do order, how to use order clause in SQL and in Dux.